Hi everyone, I'm Vlad, I'm 22 years and I live in St. Petersburg. I want to briefly talk about me. Now I study the university at the last year, and the last year I was in China, study Chinese, and for me it was a really great experience. If speak about my hobbies, so it's books. I really like books, cereals, sports, and anime. I have already taught people for 1 year, and I hope that I can help you to improve your Russian skills. We can study grammar or daily conversation. It's your desire. We can use textbook if you want. It's not problem. 大家好，我叫瓦德，我22岁，现在我是4年级学生，啊、去年我去了中国学习中文，现在我想帮助你们提高英语，谢谢大家。